Every batch starts massive, thousands of liters at once.
A row of massive tanks, heating thousands of liters at once.
Pressurized at massive scale. Perfectly smooth, every batch.
Live cultures added to massive batches, where the magic begins.
A massive tank farm, turning thousands of liters into yogurt. Thick, smooth, and massive in volume. The base for every flavor. Massive strawberry fields. Thousands harvested for one batch. And massive blueberry fields. Just as vast, just as ripe. Tons of fresh fruit arrive daily. Strawberry and blueberry, side by side. Massive batches of strawberry, blended fresh, in minutes. And massive batches of blueberry. Rich color, ready to blend. Massive reserves of fruit, ready for thousands of cups. Folded in by the ton. Strawberry swirled through every batch. And blueberry too. Massive color, folded through massive batches. Thousands of cups formed every minute. Massive scale, non-stop. Filled by the thousands. Strawberry, exact every time. And blueberry, the same massive precision, every single cup. Sealed airtight, thousands at a time. Freshness locked in instantly. Packed by robots. Massive speed. Zero wasted motion.